Hi everyone. Today we discussed about higher IF series, that is digital inverter plus real freshness with digital control system and four temperature sensors to set precise temperature, and also HCS technology always keeps two times more freshness. Its antibacterial technology kills bacteria 99.99%, with second generation FD inverter compressor saves electricity less than 1 unit a day and works on 105 voltage to 260 voltage. And this is highest range model of high refrigerators. Everyone knows that Haier is the largest selling brand in Pakistan, and Haier all products introduce with special features. And in this model, Haier gives in all features that absolutely required for any advanced technology, in which T-ABT sterilization technology is a wonderful technology, and in which 2 plus 1 lights with turbofan, glass shield, glass shelves, and much more, and reasonable price available on all cities of Pakistan. And if we discussed about warranty claim, higher claim on this model 10 years on compressor warranty and 3 years on parts. And if we discussed about colors, higher introduced three colors: green, red, and purple color. And if we discussed about price uh, have reasonable, uh, different size with different prices. Like if you want to buy 306, then price will be 90 to 1 lakh. If you want to buy a 336 model, then price 1 to 110,000. If you want to buy 368 series, then price 120. And if you want to buy jumbo size 538, that's largest refrigerator of higher, uh, that's price almost 130 to 135,000. And this model of higher aggressive, and fulfill your all needs. Hopefully you will enjoy it much more. Advanced technology always will be better all other. So I advise all of you, please buy today higher IF series. Thank you.